Hi guys, I am Coach Temmy. I am an online business coach and I am here to help transform your side hustle into a profitable business. Whether you are starting from scratch or you are looking to scale your income streams, this channel will give you the tools, strategies, and motivation to succeed. On this channel, you will learn the best side hustle ideas for beginners, step-by-step guides on online business, how to make money with Amazon KDP, passive income strategies for financial freedom, productivity and mindset hacks for success. New video every Monday packed with insights to help you grow your online business. Don't wait for success, create it. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss a life-changing video. Let's build your financial success together. See you on the inside.